Today I came to the Little Engineer workshop. It was a very fun workshop. We made a car using wood. We cut the wood by ourselves. We made a really cool solar car, and it was a really new and different experience. I really enjoyed what I was doing, and thanks to Madame Rana and all of the coaches here for helping us do this really amazing experience.
The workshop was very informative and engaging. The workshop started by us watching a presentation about solar cars, which covered everything about solar energy to solar cars and how sustainable they are. And it was presented by Mrs. Rana Shmaitilli. And one of the highlights of the workshop was the hands-on activities. We had the chance to build solar cars and test them, which helped us learn more about solar cars. I want to thank Mrs. Rana Shmaitilli and all the instructors for giving us this very amazing opportunity.